Game won't open due to the QQ Game Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. Before we begin the walkthrough for QQ Game Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the QQ Game Library, the core execution library for the Tencent QQ Game platform, which manages authentication, session handling, and game launch orchestration within the QQ ecosystem. It serves as a shared runtime across titles launched via the client. If missing, the platform may fail to initialize modules and report errors indicating failed startup. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting QQ Game Library DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered QQ Game Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or unverified version of QQ Game Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to QQ Game Library and system efficiency. Thank you for trusting us with QQ Game Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.